around, I'm going to go ahead and review that Physicians Formula Spotless Coverage Foundation that I just did in my last unboxing, titled Unboxing with Orion. I am wearing it now. I did it first. I'm not going to tell you what I think, but join me. It's something. So, the only thing that I have done right now are my eyes and my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and I'm doing my makeup using the Physicians Formula Youthful Wear Cosmetic Youth Boosting Spotless Foundation and Brush. New Innovation Weightless Foundation Serum. Anybody who's seen any of my videos knows that the feeling of foundation on my skin drives me insane. And I did an unboxing on my last YouTube post, and this was in it. I was just about to throw it on, and I thought to myself, come on, Courtney, you know, you told me you were going to do it with them. And I love you guys, so I'm doing it. So when you open it up, it's coming out like this. Okay. This is a brush. On this picture, when I first saw it, I thought almost like that was like, going to be like silicone, like plastic, like, you know, the silicone beauty blender thing they tried to use for a week before everyone was like, this is awful. And then Physicians Formula Youthful Wear Spotless. And I have freckles. I like them, but it'll be a good test since they're saying spotless. 12-hour wear, a precision dropper, and I remember reading this before, but I'm going to read it again in case you missed the last video. Proven visible results. 100% say brighter and more even skin instantly. 90% say less visible skin damage in 2 weeks. I'm like, less visible skin? I was like, what is that? I already read it too. See how 100% say significantly lighter dark spots in 3 weeks and less dark spots overall in 4 weeks. Good thing I only use 3 drops because I'm going to have to literally use this every day. 100% saw less fine lines and deep wrinkles. Directions. Shake bottle before each use. Apply 2 to 3 drops of the foundation directly onto the enclosed Pro Blending brush. Apply by blending with brush until desired coverage is achieved. Follow with powder. It's so pretty and purple, and the brush feels soft. It doesn't feel like wolf hair. Like you get like cheap brushes and you like read somewhere on the package it's like made from bison, and I'm like, oh my good Lord. I think that I should start with 2. This is empty in here, so that means I'm going to have to start pumping. Or I got a broke one. Imagine. Is this real life? All of this and it's broke? I made 2 videos about this Physicians Formula. Oh, it's sucking. Okay. That was weird, right? It sucked. Don't panic if it happens to you. Alright, so now I've filled it, and I'm going to just do 1. That was a week, so like 1, 2. I'm going to start on my chin. Hello. I feel like, are they being serious? That 2 drops? I feel like you're not going to feel it because there's nothing left. Like, that's 2 drops. I kind of went around my mouth here and then on my nose. There's no makeup. Alright. 3 drops. I mean, they are right. I don't feel it, but because there's none left on me. I'm going to go against that and say 2 drops is... I mean, if you really wanted to go for it, I don't know the price of this, but you would probably want to get like 4 bottles of them. Because in 4 weeks, you're gonna... There's no way you'll be able to figure out if your skin actually changed from this one thing, because that was like 180 drops that I just put on right now. I also feel like I want to use a beauty blender. Not that there's anything wrong with this. I guess I'm just used to with that. When I put on foundation, it does feel like nothing, and it's super light feeling for what it looks like in normal, like, doing foundation. You can like almost like feel yourself being painted. That's what I hate. It doesn't feel like that. So in that way, it's kind of sitting on me. You see that? Like it's just chilling in every line and every... They did say finish with powder, so I'm not gonna completely biatch until I'm gonna put even more. I'm just gonna put it on the brush. I'm gonna switch to a beauty blender also, because like I feel like that rubbing on my face over and over and over again is like probably making it red, and then I'm trying to cover it up with foundation, whereas this is nice and soft, and then I wet it, the beauty blender, and I'm gonna push and instead of using that brush. It was nice around my eyebrows, seeing as how I already had them done. And then maybe the push and roll with a wet blender will help it not be so topical and look like filling in my things that I don't want filled in. I can see a difference just from using the beauty blender. See that? What? Like why does it keep going into the corner of my nose and like setting up shop? It said just finish with powder. So that could mean so many things. You could use contouring powder palette. Probably what I'm going to do. You could use your regular mint, like a powder foundation over it. You could also just use a translucent setting powder over it. Something that would just basically, you would look like this. I have one spot. Literally, that's a spot. I put a drop on it. I can still see it. Junk. What a bunch of bull. Now I'm going to have to do my makeup my regular way because I'm actually going somewhere. Thanks again for hanging out with me and doing my review on Physicians Formula Youthful Wear Spotless Coverage Foundation. I give it a 2 thumbs down. It did not work well for me. I don't think that I'll be using it again. It was pretty disappointing, but you know what? If that's the worst thing that happens to me today, I'm still having a good day. Shout out to Revlon, because between this eyeshadow palette from Katy Kat and this glitter from Katy Kat, saved my whole entire look. I just wanted to say thank you very much, and I love you to all my friends and everybody who supports me, and extra love to all my haters. Bye, guys. Okay, get it together, get it together, get it together. I hate myself. What a bunch of bull.